Hey, Tom. Dave.
E-N-K-A-N Pond.
I guess it was at one time all filled with... This is quite the place, huh, David?
What?
This is the pond. I wonder if it gets filled in more water during the other time of the year. You think? Probably so. Hey, Dave, come here. I think so. By that, this should be... well, if it is, it's really out of proportion on that map. It seems like it should be sitting back over here, unless this is number 7, but that... Let's see what we got here.
This is the first gate of Shuri Castle proper. It was built into the wall.
There they are, in front of Shuri Castle for 2 decades. As if it was their own playhouse, they bound down the stairway. David, oblivious to his surroundings. Of course, he's oblivious just about all the time. I get an idea of how steep that wall is. Certainly on a rainy day with all that growth up there, make it slick. As you know what, try to climb up there. And where did Judy go? Judy's way up there already.
That was the main gate. What do we do with our book? And look at that. We should look at that ancient telephone stand over there.
Oh yeah. Oh, right over there?
With a little fruit that matches that.
Yeah, a little. I think we need to have an obento. I like one from Katsu. This is where I was going to put you. It's just about the right size for David.
Oh yeah?
On the top. Here, wait, right by here.
I wonder what this was for.
I don't know.
Maybe it was part of a storehouse or something. All these little banyan trees.
Ready to get everybody back?
Yeah, okay, we're here. Go ahead. Holy smokes. Almost got me. Come on down.
I'm gonna go look over here, Dad. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, this is kind of down at the bottom. Hey, Jerry. Let's take a look at this scenery here. This is an unusual sight, Okinawa, to have nobody knocking you down and have a pleasant, picturesque scene here with water and ducks. Yeah, guy catching a few Z's. He's got the right idea, I think. You can see February, don't need too much on, huh? Just drop my sunglasses.
Did you see me do a flip?
And here we are, back out to this little bridge again.
This castle was built in the 13th century.
Is that right, the Shuri Castle?
Does that mean 1200?
That's right.
And then it was expanded in 1428. I mean, there's the castle here.
Then they turned it into a mall in 1836.
And then they destroyed it in about 3 months in 1945.
Put the hall down, huh? Well, that's a shame. I guess they knew it was a headquarters site, huh?